Selling courses with either one-time or subscription pricing can be a game changer for your business model. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set this up and how to pick the right pricing structure for your course. Stick with me till the end to understand why this choice is crucial and how it affects long-term growth. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the two common pricing models: one-time pricing and subscription pricing. The one-time pricing model is simple. Customers pay a single fee for lifetime access to your course. This can work really well if your course provides solid, in-depth knowledge that doesn't need frequent updates. It gives the customer clear value upfront and can result in quicker revenue. On the other hand, subscription pricing involves charging customers on a recurring basis, usually monthly or annually. This model works well if your course is constantly evolving, with new content or features added regularly. It creates a steady stream of income and builds long-term customer relationships. But it can also mean you need to keep your content fresh and valuable to keep those subscribers engaged month after month. Now, let's talk about how to set this up with the software we'll be using today. You'll want to choose a platform that allows you to easily manage both pricing models, integrate with payment processes, and gives you control over how and when content is released. After trying several popular platforms, we found one that works seamlessly for both one-time and subscription pricing. And I've got an exclusive free trial available for you in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. You can follow along with that trial to set up your course quickly. For one-time pricing, all you need to do is set up a single payment gateway and limit access to the course once it's purchased. You can add bonuses, special discounts, or limited time offers to sweeten the deal and create urgency. The key here is to keep the payment process simple and secure, ensuring no friction for your customer when they decide to buy. For subscription pricing, you'll need to set up a recurring payment system. Most platforms let you choose whether to charge monthly, quarterly, or annually. This gives your customers flexibility and ensures that you have a steady income. A good strategy here is to offer a free trial period or a low entry price to get people hooked before they commit to a longer subscription. Make sure to set clear expectations about what content will be added regularly and the value they'll get for their continued subscription. When deciding between these two options, think about your content strategy. If you plan to update your course regularly, subscription pricing can offer stability and increase customer lifetime value. If your course is evergreen and doesn't require much updating, a one-time payment might be the way to go. Now, the key takeaway here: choose your pricing structure based on your content strategy and how often you plan to update your course. One-time pricing works well for static, in-depth content, while subscription pricing helps maintain engagement and provides a continuous income stream. To quickly recap, one-time pricing is straightforward, providing immediate revenue with a clear value proposition. Subscription pricing offers ongoing income and customer engagement, but requires continuous content updates. Whatever you choose, make sure your platform can easily handle both options. And remember, the software we're using today makes this process a breeze, so don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.